type equal, rand, type an empty bracket and press enter. A factor generated for first student, then drag and drop the cell to the entire rows in order to generate an independent factor for each rows. Then select the factor column and the column which required to sort randomly, go to Home tab, and click on Sort and Filter, click on A to Z. The rows can be sorted multiple times in different orders. Copy the entire table and repeat the previous steps in case if 2 or more sorting options are required.